morning.
We're in beautiful Boston and the sun is shining today. There's our hotel right behind us. And we've been looking out our window at the park.
Cute park.
And we're like, we gotta go check it out. We heard there's some cute ducks in here that we gotta find.
Yeah. And it's cold.
It is a little cold. Look how awesome this tree is. I just noticed there's a squirrel in the tree. Oh, he heard me. Hi, cute squirrel. Here's the cute ducks. Oh, someone made them beanies. Hello. Here's the bridge. So last night at dinner, we were looking out the window from the Four Seasons, and I was telling Jake,
this lights on this bridge, and she was like,
and I was like, look, there's a bridge.
I'm like, Kelsey, there's no bridge over there for cars to drive across.
And I was like, no, there's a bridge. He didn't believe me.
We're on the bridge.
Hey.
Hey.
You're on a bridge.
I know. We saw ice skaters down there yesterday.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. We're at Acorn Street. How cute is this? I wish that a camera could do justice of how cute this place is. We're just dying over how cute these streets are. Like a tilted lamppost. People still have cute Christmas wreaths. And it's fun. Everything's just right into the brick. We just got some fun prints at this cute store. It's called Black Ink. And they had the coolest stuff in there. But we'll show you guys the prints later because we got them wrapped up.
Yeah.
We just went to the cutest post office ever. We actually brought stuff that we had to mail. And mailed it. Check out this cool store. And look, there's an awesome dog. Oh, those are door pulls. Jake, we gotta get the crab. Oh my gosh, these are so rad. This is the coolest store.
Awesome.
Cat, we heard this bakery is really cute, so we're gonna go there for lunch. Oh my, this all looks so good and cute in here. These fun lights. So cute. Jake's getting excited about all the trees.
I know, there's so many awesome looking things. They had like a pear tart that was really good. It's really amazing.
This is our turkey blat, bacon, lettuce, avocado, tomato with turkey, and that looks amazing.
Yum.
Jake picked out some fun trees. What are these?
This is an apple croissant.
Okay.
This is a chocolate rose.
Check that out. That's pretty fun.
And then we got some little almond crunch balls, a little almond square, and then a butter cookie.
I just have to say that lunch was the best sandwich I've ever had.
That sandwich was amazing.
It was so good. So right now, we're somewhere really cool.
We're heading to the Peabody Museum.
It's
in Harvard, but it's just right up this stairs here.
Here it is. Okay, let's do it. We just got our tickets and they were $12 each, but we found out if you come on Sunday,
it's free.
So Sunday is a good day to visit Harvard, FYI. Stop it. So Jake and I made up a new game while we've been here in Boston. That anytime we see each other looks cute, we keep saying, stop it, until we embarrass them and make them laugh.
Seriously, stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
These are cool. Jake wants to tell us a story from his childhood about
My
them.
grandma got me one of these once from Mexico or somewhere in Central America.
What do you do with it?
You play music.
What's
They're
it
little
called?
ocarinas.
Did you ever get good at it?
No. But come over here and you can listen to it.
See that hole on top of this helmet? Tell us what that's used for.
So that would be for the top knot, men's top knot. They pull it through.
For the man ponytail.
Yeah.
It's like the coolest thing ever. Genius. Check out how innovative this armor is. That's a puffer fish. And the weapons are shark teeth. Very creative. Tons and tons of rocks and minerals. I already have a feeling this is going to be my favorite room. Jake, do you have memory with Topaz?
Yeah, we went to Topaz Mountain to find topaz rocks sometime.
What happened that day?
I proposed.
Jake's telling me, how far have we gotten?
We've only gotten through here.
And it's been like an hour. We just loved the rocks. And then of course had to stop at the gift shop. Last flowers. Okay, these are all super cool. Jake, what do you think about this?
They're made of glass.
Do you think you could craft something
No.
as delicate as these?
No, look at this. The detail.
The detail. Check out the size of this pill bug. Jake, put your head up to it so we can tell
It's kind of creepy.
how huge that is. This is a whip scorpion,
It's a little whip
and it's
tail.
alive. Look at that cool tail. These are so cool.
Chronosaurus from Australia. That is huge. Wow. That's awesome.
I'm kind of in love with this museum. I want one. They're so cute. How fun would that be on a shelf? Oh my gosh. Every room I keep saying, this is going to be my favorite. And it just keeps getting cooler and cooler and cooler.
Which one should we go with?
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
Whoa. Ooh, shells. Stop it. Stop it. Jake. It's a staring contest.
Look, He's straight up the one from like Siberian Tiger.
How cute. They have winter games out here. You can get s'mores and you can even go curling.
We're gonna give it a shot.
Yeah. I think we might need to try a food truck too. Woo. Jake, does this bring back college memories?
No, because I didn't go here, but I think we're here now, so that counts.
We're gonna go to the world's only Curious George store. Look how fun. Such a cute toy store. Oh, there's Boo. Oh my gosh. George in a spacesuit. That's so cute. Lots of fun books. These are some of my favorite series. What did you find?
So we're gonna probably get this book called Make Way for Ducklings. It's about little ducks in Boston, and it's what they made that statue after. It's really cute.
What'd you find?
It's a little world.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Who do those remind you of?
Dad. So I just don't know if I should get the small one or the big one.
Look how fun. These are like the prints that we got. To the train. We just got our tickets. It's pretty cool down here. Chinatown. How cool is this entrance? We're headed to Chinatown for dinner. This is so cute. Ooh, look at these cool lion statues. Jake, come give it a kiss. Is it cold?
Yeah. I didn't touch it with my lips.
Uh-huh. I saw it.
No.
I saw it. Don't be embarrassed. It's okay that you kissed a lion. This looks fun. Picking out what to get.
Probably gonna go with the miso lit ramen.
Yeah. This creation looks beautiful and amazing. This is the lit miso ramen with veggies
And hotness.
and hot goodness. How's those noodles?
That's a distinct like eel sauce flavor.
Was that so yummy?
Yeah, am I crying because
Someone really liked
it
it.
was really hot?
We just had a great time eating some ramen, and then we looked up some fun dessert places around here, and they have a beard papas, which I love. They have one in New York, and one of my Japanese friends introduced it to us, and we loved it. It's like a cream puff place.
So maybe we'll get one of those too.
So we might go get one of those, but we did see that they had a really fun
like shaved ice.
shaved ice crepe, like boba place, that we were like, we might gotta try this for dessert. Looks so good. See, once I saw these pictures, I was like, I need that. Jake's gonna get a shaved snow. How cute is this?
This is the Lychee Love Shaved Snow. So this is the shaved snow, and it has a snowflake drizzle.
It's so cute.
And there's original boba jellies, and then there's rainbow mini mochis.
Yum. How is that?
really fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, the texture is really cool.
What does it taste like?
This is lychee flavored.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I see how cool that texture
So this texture is just really interesting.
It's so awesome, and I just tried it and it tastes really good. It's like creamy, yummy, cold, yum.
All right, and Kelsey got the wild berries crepe.
Look how cute. Japanese snackeries. That looks beautiful.
That looks so good.
Look, it even matches my outfit.
It totally does.
Ate all the ice cream. Now to the crepe. It's pretty genius. This place is so cool in here. So this is where we just had desserts, but there's like a couple different places in there. And yeah, I'm excited for that new one to come out.
It's called the 10 Moons Real 4K Wi-Fi. And 3D.
Well, I feel a little too full for Beard Papa's. How about you?
Yeah, I'm a little too full.
I would like to go, ooh, it's cold out. So I forget it's cold out, and then we walk outside and I'm like, ooh, it's cold.
Let's
It's
go
real
this way.
cold. Okay, well, I feel like it's been a really fun night. I feel like those desserts were really yummy.
Yeah, they're really good.
I've never had shaved ice like that before.
Well, because it wasn't really shaved ice. It was like they took the ice cream and they shaved it into thin little strips.
But it was like shaved magic. It tasted really good.
Yeah,
That was really fun. And I liked my crepe, so I think that was a great choice.
it was.
Forgot a swimsuit. Hello, Boston! There's some really cute Harry Potter stuff. Jake wants me to get this outfit. Gryffindor. It's all over here. Yeah. To the pool. How fun. We got the whole place to ourselves. Whoa. Okay. Woohoo. Jake. Jake's making me laugh. He's giving himself a massage with the jets. How was that whirlpool?
It was awesome.
That was so fun. Jake was cracking me up at the pool because he was putting his legs on all the jets and getting a massage.
Yeah, it was awesome.
That was pretty cute.
Yep. And now we're pooped.
Yeah, now we're gonna call it a night, but I'm super excited because we have our new books that we're gonna read.
We're gonna read
bedtime
some
stories.
bedtime stories.
Yeah,
This one, Make Way for Ducklings.
that one's so cute. And then we also got another one.
You're Smart About Sharks book.
Yep. So, we got stuff to do. We got some reading to do.
Thanks for joining.
We'll see you later.